Gravity Maze is a falling marble logic game by ThinkFun. It's a single-player game great for players aged from 8 years and even adults. Here's how to play. Choose a challenge to begin. Your goal is to get your marble to the target tower by creating a maze using the towers shown on the card. Set up your grid as shown on the card and collect the towers indicated here under Add to Grid. Set aside the remaining towers. You won't need all of them for every challenge. Black dots on the towers show you the correct orientation for the towers. Towers can stand on their own, be stacked, or even laid on their side to create a maze. The card will show you where to drop the marble once your maze is complete. Be careful, each tower color has a unique arrangement of ramps and bridges, and your maze may not have the clear path that you think. When the marble reaches the target tower, you win! Here's a more advanced challenge. Be sure to read the building rules in the instruction manual before beginning your challenge. It includes helpful information on ways you can stack the towers. If you get stuck, turn over the card to see the solution. For some challenges, there are more ways to solve than just the way shown. In fact, once you've mastered the game, we encourage you to build your own challenges and be as creative with your mazes as you can. Here's what you get. 1 game grid, 9 building towers, and 1 target tower, 3 marbles, 1 to play, and 2 spares, 60 challenges ranging from beginner to expert, plus game instructions. Gravity Maze is brought to you by ThinkFun, the world's leader in addictively fun games that sharpen your mind.